Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new. I am a mom to 3 little ones. We had our 3rd baby back in January. And so today I'm going to share with you guys a little update on his nursery. It's about halfway done right now. I actually went a totally different route with his nursery back before he was born. I did a whole video on it and shared that with you guys here. But then I just decided that I just was not feeling that and I wanted to change it up a bit. So we have already started on it. We started on it before he was born. I've worked on it here and there when I could find some time after he was born. You know how that goes with a newborn. Everything is kind of all up in the air as he's learning how to get on a schedule and things like that. But I wanted to show you guys where the nursery is at right now, and then I will show you a complete final reveal once I am done with it. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did that. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump on into the tour. I'm going to show you guys walking into the room. So this right here where I'm standing is the doorway. And right here is the biggest change that I made to the room. I actually painted an accent wall. I love accent walls. I think they totally change up the room. They give you a nice pop of color that I personally was lacking from the nursery last time I did it. And I also felt like it helped this crib just kind of contrast better up against that dark wall. I'm in love with this color. Off the top of my head, I don't know what it is, but I will definitely include it in the description box for you guys. But yeah, this is one of my favorite things. I'm still trying to decide if I want to put something on this wall. I may or may not, depending on if I can find something, but I kind of like how it looks, just simple with the accent wall being like the main focal point. And then of course I have the crib. This was not the crib that I had in here last time. I actually was trying to use Emmy's white crib, but I wasn't feeling it. This crib used to be Oakley's crib and we got it from IKEA. It's very inexpensive. In here I have our Newton crib mattress, which honestly gives me so much peace of mind because it's breathable. And then I just have, you know, a basic white sheet on there. We have loved this Halo monitor for when the babies are super little in the crib. So I'll link that for you guys as well. And then right now, you know, I'm still trying to decide how I'm gonna lay things out, but this basket is still here with this blanket. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do there, if anything. I also had just some white curtains up here before. This gold curtain rod used to be black. I spray painted it gold. I don't like it, so I'm actually gonna spray paint it back to black. And then I changed out the curtains from the sheer white ones to these blackout curtains from Target. And when I bought them, I'll show you a closer look, but when I bought them, they're kind of a green color, so I thought that they would kind of match the wall pretty good, but I don't think that I love them. It just looks kind of funny to me. See if I can show you guys a little bit better. It just looks a little funny to me. I think I would prefer just to have a white or an off-white, but I really love having blackout curtains in here. It makes a huge difference for nap times. This rug used to be Oakley's rug in his room and his nursery. I put this in here back when I did this nursery reveal the last time, and I just kept it here. That's definitely gonna stay. In this corner, I love this and I'm so excited about it. I got this plant stand from TJ Maxx, and I had originally bought this snake plant from Lowe's to put in the room, but it's really tiny and I think I want a tall snake plant to fill up this space right here. So I'm gonna go and see if I can find one of those maybe this afternoon to go right there. And then over here is a work in progress, but I'm really excited about the potential here. So I got a new glider. I wanted to have a light one. I had a gray one before in here, but I switched that out. That's downstairs now, where I rock Hudson at night before bed, since he's still sleeping in our room. But I got this cream colored one. I'll link it for you guys, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. It's a rocker, a swivel glider, I guess, but it also is a recliner, and it's really comfortable. These things, I'm not sure if they're staying or not. They came from Oakley's nursery. And then this. I love these shelves so much. They're from Amazon, and I just think they're really, really cute. I still need to obviously decorate them and style them. This is not gonna stay here, but I thought this was really cute. Someone gave that to us. It's a little, oops, a little wooden puzzle. That plant probably will stay there, but I'm really excited to put some like more baby things on here just to you know, when you walk into the room, you definitely know it's a nursery. And then this wall still needs something. I haven't decided. Y'all should let me know what you think. I kind of want to get an ottoman for here, and either a side table with a lamp on it. That's kind of what I'm thinking, or just go with a floor lamp. I honestly think I want to do the side table and a lamp option, but you guys let me know, does the wall still need something there if I do, you know, the side table and lamp? Y'all let me know what you think. Okay, and then this is the last wall to show you guys. This is sort of similar to how it was when I did the reveal the last time, but I have changed some things up. So this used to be a gold mirror. I now have the black mirror. It's the same exact mirror, just a different color. This is the same dresser from IKEA. This I don't think I'm gonna leave there. It was up there from the last time, but you know, it is kind of cute, so we'll see. This basket, I don't know if that's staying there either. I kind of would like to do maybe a ladder here, maybe a blanket ladder. That would be kind of cute, or one of those like ladder bookshelves. That would be cute too. Okay, and then this is different as well. This is a Snuggle Me Organic, and I used to have a blue cover for it, so I ordered this one. I'll see if it's still available. This is in the gingerbread color, so I really like this orange color with the green, kind of like this rusty burnt orange or rust color. I think it looks really pretty up against the green within the natural wood, so I like that a lot. This is actually where I do some diaper changes. Hudson is still sleeping in our room, but he will take naps in here, and he actually starts out in here at nighttime. So if I need to do any diaper changes, it happens on here. This is our hatch, and this is our sound machine, as well as a nightlight, which has been really nice to have. And then this plant was in here the last time I did the nursery reveal. It's from IKEA. I love it, but I actually really want to get a olive tree. There's one that I'm eyeing from Amazon. It's about $100, but I think it's really, really pretty. That is more the look I'm going for in here, I think. I want to go less jungle and more, I don't know how to describe it, but just the olive look, the olive tree look. I think it's a little bit softer. So I don't know, we'll see if that's what I end up going with. Somehow, I just don't love the fiddle leaf look. It just seems too much like a jungle theme. And then over here we have our owl diffuser, and Hudson seems to be a little stuffy. I don't know if he's feeling okay. I think he is, but just in case, I've been putting some Sniffle Ease in his diffuser. These are kids oils from Young Living. I have a bunch more of them as well, but we do love having our diffuser in here for sleep, things like sniffles and stuff like that. So here is a little overview of what the nursery is looking like now. And then hopefully in the next month or so, I'll be able to tie up all the loose ends and finish this nursery, but I am really happy with the direction that it's going. All right, so that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek. I wasn't sure if I was gonna share this much with you guys or just make you wait until I did the full reveal, but I kind of wanted to give you the sneak peek and let you see the progress that we have been making in here. Definitely give me your input. Let me know if you think I should do some things differently. Definitely let me know about that wall behind the rocking chair, or I guess just the whole like nook in general. Let me know what you guys think, what I should do. I'm definitely open to suggestions and ideas, so let me know. All right, you guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up, as well as this nursery video when it is all done. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.